This street food is so unique, and honestly, not everyone dares to try it. Roasted eggs paired with Hautunia cordata. Sounds strange, right? But in Guyang, this is a local obsession. The eggs are slowly roasted until the shells crack and release a deep smoky aroma. Then they're topped with fresh Hautunia cordata, herbal, earthy, and incredibly bold. The first bite might surprise you. The second bite makes you curious, and by the last bite, you finally understand why locals love it. Simple ingredients, strong flavors. This is street food you'll never forget.